Welcome back. Today we are going to work on transposition of formula, and we are going to make P the subject of this formula. That is, we are going to make P in terms of R, T, and A. The first step, let us eliminate this fraction here by multiplying 100 throughout. That is 100 A, this is equal to 100 P plus P R T over 100 multiplied by 100. Here I can simplify by 100, by 101, by 100 I get 1, so 100A, this is equal to 100P plus PRT. Remember, we need to make P the subject, so I'm going to factor out P. 100A, this is equal to, I'll factor out P. From this term, I'm going to remain with 100 plus, from this term, I'm going to remain with RT. This is in the bracket. At last, I'm going to divide by 100 plus RT, both sides. That is going to be 100A over 100 plus RT. This is equal to P 100 plus RT over 100 plus RT. I can simplify 100 plus RT on the numerator and the denominator. This is equal to 100A over 100 plus RT. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.